welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you all of my Christmas decorations for 2023 inside and out. Now some will be after dark of course because that's when the lights come on. I have lights that are on timers. My Christmas tree is technically on a timer, but I can unplug it for a little bit and show you what it looks like, and then later on you can see what it looks like when it gets darker, when it actually comes on with the timer. So, this is my Christmas light necklace. I got that at Dollar Tree, by the way. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start over here on my dresser. Of course, we got my salad, and my Jack and Sally right there, Nightmare Before Christmas. I got a couple more ornaments here. These are those mystery ornaments. Rob gave me a couple of those Harry Potter ones. And then I got Yoda back there. I got Mickey and Minnie right there. And then here, actually, I have a snowman, and then over on my night table is where Santa Claus is. I have these two cups that I've had for as long as I can remember. They have my name on them. And they have these little holes somewhere. There it is. That's where you put the straw. So I almost forgot I had those. Because they were in a different spot. So yeah. Up here I got my Hello Kitty double chocolate cocoa mix. I just love that tin. And my Santa Mickey right there. My wooden snowman, which does not like to sit, but he's sitting right now, so that's good. I got, like I said, Mickey and Minnie right here. And I got my Christmas Disney tape right here. And then, just a minute. And then right here we have Rhonda and Randy reindeer. I feel like I used to have the whole set, but I just have these two now. Anyone from the 80s will remember those two. I keep this little cat ornament. It's technically an ornament, but I keep this little cat right here because she's calico. It's right next to my angel who is a calico. And that's a little candy cane pencil. I got this little Christmas tree light. They are so bright. I have a Christmas tree, and then over on my bookcase is a star. I got those at Dollar Tree as well, and they're really bright, and I just thought they were neat. This is a cat. Technically it's an ornament. It's soft and you squeeze it, and he sings, "We wish you a Merry Christmas," like going meow, meow, meow. So, here are my Christmas CDs. The one that I used to play in the car all the time growing up. I swear we used to have the cassette tape of that. And then, one of the first CDs I ever got, along with Backstreet Boys Millennium, 98 Degrees this Christmas. So I got those. This sign that I made that kind of came out okay. It's mostly glitter. Glitter doesn't really write as well as I thought. I didn't feel like painting it this time, but you'll see this in the DIY video. I do like the trees though. And then this ornament, which is also in the DIY video. That kind of came out a little better than the sign. It was just an idea I saw on TikTok. This is a kind of a ornament type of ceramic, plastic ceramic tree looking thing. And then I got this here fiber optic USB tree. Now, I have that, and then I have another USB tree that's not fiber optic. I got those from Target a couple years ago. And then, of course, my winter body sprays and lotions and hand sanitizers and stuff. And, of course, this Diet Pepsi can back here. That's next to my dad because that's what he would drink all the time, was Diet Pepsi. And then I got my Christmas tree right here that I made out of wooden popsicle sticks. You can kind of see the top of it because it kind of slipped, but I had to fix it, but it's fixed now. And I got my Wawa Pez dispenser Christmas truck here from 2016. It's never been opened, as you can tell. So, and then this is, of course, the string lights I have around my mirror that are on there all the time. Those string lights and the ones that you see over there around my bookcase, those are on a timer. You'll see those later when they come on later tonight. So, that's what I have on my bookcase. And then here is my Santa Grogu that Rob got me last year. And then this year I was at Five Below. And I got a little mini Cam in the holiday sweater, Squishmallow, because she's a calico. And I love calico cats so much. Anyway, so there's that. And of course I have my Christmas coloring book over here. That's my advent calendar down there. And this is my bookcase. Like I said, see these string lights, they're colored, of course. They're the ones I have on all year round. They'll come on later because they're on a timer. This is the plate that I could not find last year. And I finally found it, but it was too late. So I remember where it was this time. I did this plate when I was 5. You can see 1993. I have no idea what I was trying to draw. I guess it's just a bunch of scribbles, but this is the plate we used to put this cookies for Santa on every year. And that's the start. I was talking about, like, the Christmas tree over there. That's actually really bright. Got a Dollar Tree. It's this sign I made when I was growing up. So, Merry Christmas sign. There's my Snoopy right there. And then up here, of course, we got the yellow submarine ornament that's always there. I have my Raggedy Ann ornament right there. And then up top, I got this angel right here from Dollar Tree. Of course. It's a really cool light up angel. Ooh, and really bright. Wow, all the Dollar Tree lights are really bright this year. And then, of course, my Santa Garfield ornament that I got from Five Below last year. I do believe. Or the year before, but something like that. So that's my bookcase. And then I've got my stocking over here that I've had for, I have no idea how long, but that's Mickey's Christmas Carol on it. And then, of course, my Ray ornament hanging on my light that I always have. And then these two things we used to hang in the windows on the back glass door every year. They're Mickey. Mickey holding a little Christmas bell, and Santa Mickey with a sack of presents. This is the Santa cup I was telling you about, just like the snowman, my name on it, and a little hole for the straw that I've had for as long as I can remember that I just found. So, that is a ceramic tree that I got from Walmart this year. It's technically an ornament, but my Nana used to have a ceramic Christmas tree, and I've been wanting one for a long time, so finally found that one, so that's cool. You'll see it better lit up later on when it's dark. And then this wooden tree that I've had for as long as I can remember, I just put that back here instead this year. That nutcracker I got from Dollar Tree this year as well. I like him. They had a blue one, a red one, and a green one, and I bought the blue one. And I also got this tree from Dollar Tree as well. I thought I wasn't going to be able to get it because the first time I was in my Dollar Tree and they just had the empty box with a display in it. I didn't know they were ever going to get any more, but they did. So that's what that looks like. That takes 2 AAA batteries. That is the neatest tree, and it's plastic. But it's still neat looking. It changes colors. I love that tree. And then this is the other USB tree I was talking about that I got from Target a couple years ago. And then this is my tissue box holder that I put on. I've had that for as long as I can remember too. That I put all my tissue stuff in. Got my Mickey Santa hat way over there. Anyway, and the last thing in my room, and I'm actually going to remember to film this time because I keep forgetting, is my God's Eye up there. I have one for every holiday and season. I just keep forgetting to film them. Yeah, that's what that one looks like. Oh, that's the front over there. Oops, I can't aim. There we go. There it is. There's the front. So yeah, I did make that. So that is everything in my room. So I'm going to take you and show you the Christmas tree and a few more other decorations out there. And then later on when it's dark, you'll see everything lit up better. So here we go. So here we are in the dining room, and that has a story that actually came down and we had to get it put back up. Because we do this every year, we put this garland on it. So we got it back up. One of the things broke. The little glass part. I forget what those are called. That thing up there. See them down the other side of that cool radio up there? That used to be on there, and one of them broke, so we had to get new ones. But I didn't think we were going to put the garland and stuff back on it, but we did. And those are some big ornaments hanging off of it. But yeah. It's a little bit lower, but it works better. So there's that. And this is new. These are actually pine cones from my front yard. In a bowl with string lights, and there's some cinnamon sticks in there, but I can't really smell anything. Anyway, but it looks neat. Again, you will see that later on when it's more lit up. Actually, it's pretty lit up now, but I'll show you briefly what it looks like in the dark. So that's the living room. I mean the dining room. Got that backwards. Now we're going to go to the living room. Okay, so here is my tree, which you saw in my tree decorating video that I already did for another video, but I'm going to show it again. I plugged it into the wall real quick, and I'm going to plug it back into the timer as soon as I'm done. But you can see what it looks like from here. It's moved a little bit, and the presents are actually over here at the moment because We got a new modem, but it's not working properly. So the internet guy is coming out to hopefully fix it today as I'm recording this. So we're not getting the proper speed that we should. We upgraded and we got this new modem, and you should have just been able to plug it in and everything should have come up, but no. It works, but barely. I'm not getting the proper speed, so that's why everything is kind of messed up in this corner right now. The tree skirt's actually over here at the moment, but here's the tree. All my regular ornaments on it, my Mickey's Christmas Carol ornaments are right there. Snoopy is down here. You know, I got vintage ornaments, of course. You know, I think you've already seen all of this before, but just the regular ornaments. I can't really show the other side because it's a little bit blocked, but that's the tree, and the presents are over here at the moment. So that's that issue. I'm hoping it gets resolved today because this has been a pain. It should not have been this difficult. That was weird. Anyway. That was the camera. Alright, the lights look like they were flashing on and off, but it's actually just the camera being weird. Anyhow, so that's the tree. And again, the presents are over there, and the cat is on the couch. But here are the stockings and some Christmas cards. So that's the living room, and again, later on, you will see everything lit up, and you'll see my outside lights when they come on. There's also a wreath right outside the door, which I'll show you. But those won't be on until after dusk sometime, because again, everything is technically on timers, so I gotta put the tree back on the timer, but that's everything I have inside. So, yeah. Okay, here we are. The outside lights are on. This is what the front looks like. Basically the same as last year. We did put an extra string light on this tree over here, though. Here's the gift. And the bush lights here. Those are net lights. There's the tree and the present. And some of the neighbors' houses have lights too. You can kind of see that one over there. Yep. So that's the front. Now let's go see the back. And here's the new tree we have out back this year. Yes, it is extremely bright, but I think that was the object. Got it from Big Lots last year. Right after everything. You know, right after Christmas when everything's on sale. We got this for this year. Looks kind of cool. Looks like it's kind of flashing a little. I like how it does that. This is my backyard night. That house over there has red lights on their back there. They switch it up, I think. It's a nice house. Anyway, so here's the tree once again. So here's the tree back to normal. And yes, my internet did get fixed, thank God. This is what it looks like at night. There's the cat again. That looks much better. So there's the tree, and there's that bowl of pine cones. So that was the bowl of pine cones. Looks kind of cool. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, and here's what my room looks like with the lights out. Ignore the TV. See, there's the lights from a mirror. Those are always there. But, see how bright the little Christmas tree is that I got from Dollar Tree? Yeah. That's one of the fiber, that's a fiber optic USB tree. And then over here is my colored lights. And there's the angel I got from Dollar Tree. Sorry about the flashiness. There, that's better. And then that's the star I got from Dollar Tree. And then there's my other USB tree right there. And then my new favorite tree I got from Dollar Tree right there, next to Nutcracker. And there's my ceramic tree. It's technically an ornament, but yeah. So yeah, everything lights up pretty well. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment, and click that little bell icon so you know when the next video is coming out. And as always, all of our social media will be linked in our description box below. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays!